Let's make some low sodium homemade potato chips in the air fryer. I'm gonna make two versions, one barbecue and one spicy. Let's go. I do skin on, but by all means you do you. We're gonna chop them as thinly as we can. It's important to have a really good cutting knife. We have our potatoes cut up, so we're just going to soak them in water for about 10 minutes, and that'll give us a chance to preheat the air fryer. We're gonna put it on 400 for about 20 minutes. So we're gonna put them on our air fryer pans, and I know they're on top of each other, but we're gonna stir them twice while they're in there, so they're going to all get cooked really thoroughly. Spray with a little olive oil, just to help the seasoning stick. I'm gonna do this all together to save a little time. I'm doing barbecue and spicy. Then we are going to flip them over and do the same thing on the other side. Nutritional info on our spices. The spicy has 125 milligrams per serving, and the barbecue has 70. We're about 12 minutes in, so we're gonna pull them out. We're gonna flip them over, spray them with a little more olive oil, put some more seasonings on them, and put them back in. Ready to go back in. Looking good. Good and crunchy. Enjoy.